Hi friends, hi friends, welcome back to Maldivian food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share Gabulhi juice recipe, young coconut juice recipe. So let's begin. This is a coconut, young coconut, Gabulhi. I am going to, I'll open it like this. Take its water, keep it aside and grate the coconut with mixie or in the traditional way. I am going to use traditional way like this. Now take half cup of grated coconut and continue. I am going to add 3 teaspoon honey. Use honey or sugar according to taste. So I am going to add coconut water into it. No other water, okay, only coconut water. Okay, after making it, it looks like this. Strain it and remove this part. It's ready. Add some ice cubes. This is my own recipe. I liked it. Actually, I loved it. Take care. Bye for now. Bye bye.